think that AUTOMA is a powerful platform to exchange information among industry, service providers, innovation and IT companies. So I think that is a unique environment to put together these experiences, networking, and be able to catch the best opportunities from technologies, from other experiences in the gas sector.
I think this is a place where we get both EPC vendors and our clients together. So a collaborative space to talk to each other, and there is a lot of time in the program to speak to each other. So it's not only listening to the presentations, but it's also learning from each other. So I think that's very useful, and we are very glad to sponsor a congress like that.
The opportunity to see the development from the last year to this year, and also see the startups and new companies with new ideas and with all this passion for the products, which solve a lot of challenges from our people. And that is what is AUTOMA about. Yeah, meet the people and see the way to the future.
I think I've been on the lookout for a congress that really brings together what is happening with digital. That's the combination of people, of really exciting transformational technology, but then applying it into the sector that we're really passionate about, which is the energy sector. And for me, this is one of the first conferences where I've really been able to find that, to meet people, whether it's at a leadership level in a refinery trying to implement some of this, to a director for a company providing solutions, or a CEO of a new company trying to solve something that no one's thought about before. That's really an exciting combination, and I'm really enjoying meeting lots of people.
%90 of the people here are the people we need to talk to. They're the right people in oil and gas, they're the right people with the right background, with the right level of authority to actually allow us to sell our new technology, another form of digitalization, I guess, to their particular market. And that's really been very helpful.
Conferences like AUTOMA help elevate the conversation, help every one of us understand each other's challenges, the false starts we made, the U-turns we may have taken, the choices that we made in terms of adopting AI inside our own organization. And I have met with so many people here who are openly sharing all those things, and that is what is helping me in this conference.